A colloid is a mixture containing dispersed particles with dimensions of approximately 1 to 1,000 nanometers. Milk is a common colloid. Inside the milk at the microscopic level, we will find large fat globules and small protein assemblies called casein micelles dispersed in water. In labs, colloids containing synthetic nanoparticles of various shapes and chemical compositions are routinely made. These nanoparticles gain new properties due to their small size. For example, some particles emit beautiful fluorescence under UV. Nowadays, scientists are interested in using nanoparticles as basic building blocks to create larger structures. Through self-assembly, scientists hope to create new functional materials from nanoparticles. To control the final structures, scientists have recently attached DNA single strands on nanoparticles to guide their self-assembly. One day, these new materials made of nanoparticles may find their applications in electrical and optical devices.